Good one. Evening, sir.
Please stand up, all of you. Let me see all of you. Yes. Viraj, go and switch on that AC here. Feeling hot now? Not required. Hey, Sharu, how are you?
Not fine.
Not fine. All good. All the faces are so after camp now. How was the camp? Good, not good. Good evening to you all. Good evening to you all.
Yes, sir.
Homeworks were there? No, sir. Actually, what the homework was? 50 what was the homework? We have to do find some for miscellaneous. Selena, sorry. Huh? What is that? Read out. Find them. Who is talking out here? Oi, that's the boy. Last week was saying he give chocolate only and he's standing and talking only. Done. 5 sums. Where is your friend? There was one friend. He did not come today. He's absent. Done. Questions. 5 sums are done. When was the last Wednesday was the class? No. Class later. End of the lecture. Go and do it. Okay. You're done. 5 sums are done. You sit down. Hello. Done 5 sums. Where is it? 4 sums. Why 4 only? Where? Done. Sit down. Actually, you are teacher. Sit down. You? Done. Huh? Who is that talking here? 7 sums. Done. What answer? You? Huh? Done. 5 answers. 5 sums got. Sit down. You? Last week? Huh? 4 sums. Why 4? You? Done. Where? Sit down. You? 5. You said 3 only. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2 times you are counting. What? Can you say? Where is your 5 sums? It's 4 only, no? 5. Sit down. Where is your 5? Huh? You did not know your first new admission. Why you are asking? What happened to you?
Sir, I came at the biology class.
Cheating, okay. You mung my lecture, no? Your friend, no? You are feeling now, okay? Be regular. Done? All. Yours? Where? Let's do some. Done, no? Yes. Then where are you sitting? You let to start from here, okay? Done? Why? You done how many sums? 2 sums. Why? No time.
No, I didn't.
You didn't know that you did not follow what you did. What happened, my dear? You okay? I will mark and send the message to your parents. You done how many? 4. One more do it. What happened? No time.
Not time and tired.
Oh, yesterday you all came back, no?
Yes, sir, but late.
Late what time?
I reached at 6:30.
6:30 p.m. No? So 24 hours you sleep out, you know.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay, that's slowly. Next, do it, okay. If not followed, you ask me. And what about you?
Directly second lecture.
Directly settle it.
Yes.
First lecture.
I did not.
No. So you don't know much about the GST.
Yeah.
You, I was celebrating my birthday. So I could not do. Is it so? Now next class 20 sums do it. You will say this. Do it and come. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down now. Any doubts or any information is there? No, no. First time attending, anybody here? Who is that? Stand up there, Charu. Take the book. Come in.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry.
There is one place is there. Yeah. So we are doing the chapter which is the one
Yes.
GST. Remembering, forgot anything. Okay. Shh. There are quickly one. The first exercise is done now.
Yes.
And homework exercise is also done.
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean by interstage? All of you close the mouth.
From one state to another.
From one state to another state. In interstate, what you have to calculate? You are absent. In interstate, what you have to calculate?
ICSE.
IGST. What is the meaning of IGST? Integrated GST. Integrated GST. How will you calculate IGST?
It is equal to GST.
IGST is equal to GST. How do you calculate GST?
Sir, GST according to
100.
the selling price.
Selling price. How will you get selling price? How will you get selling price? How will you get selling price? He said that GST is calculated GST upon 100. If 18% means 18 upon 100. How will you get selling price?
Discount.
Discount. Selling price is
List price minus.
list price minus the discount. What was discount? Okay. Follow all of you. Those who are absent also listen. Then you will come to know. You. What do you mean by intrastate? What happened? Sorry, sir. What happened? Sorry. Bus is the problem, no? From Delhi you are coming? Delhi you are coming? Air India. Air India. Flight was delayed. Huh? Transaction within the state is called intrastate. In intrastate, what you have to calculate? CGST and SGST. How to calculate CGST?
Half of the GST.
Half of the GST. What is the relation between CGST and SGST? They are equal. Are you following? The words you are following or not? You know these all things, no? You know these all? No, first time you have a prior only, no? No. So CGST and SGST are equal. Okay. So half and CGST same as half of the GST. Are you followed? And GST is calculated on which price? GST is calculated on selling price. How will you get the selling price?
MRP minus discount.
MRP minus discount. If discount is not there,
Same.
How all of you follow this one? Okay, that is a basic concept of GST. Those who are newcomers and all, if not followed me, I have to explain everything in detail later. Okay, you also. Yeah. You wanted to wear the mask and said, or you don't want to wear the mask? No problem. Whatever. If you like to wear, no problem. If you don't like to wear, no problem. Chalo, listen now. So first exercise is done. Now we are going to do today. What we are going to do is, now look, the next part it is coming. All of you close the volume of the exercises. I did not ask any question from you. Okay. You also I did not ask any question. What I asked?
ICSE of the form.
Acha, ICSE का full form. Chalo, all right. Now we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of input tax, what is the meaning of output tax, or we see ITC. ITC means input tax credit, output tax, and net tax. How much tax to be paid to the government and all. All of you, those who all are sitting over here, you know what is mean interstate. What is the meaning of interstate? One state to another state. If one state to another state, what GST we have to calculate?
IGST.
IGST. What is the meaning of IGST? It is GST itself. Okay. What is the meaning of intrastate?
Within the state.
Within the state. For example, from here, Mumbai to let's say Nagpur. That is called what? Intrastate. In the state only. Even in Mumbai to Patna. In the state, okay. Different states are coming, it is in the state. Now, in intrastate, what you have to calculate? CGST and SGST. Now, what is CGST? Half of the GST. SGST also same half, both are equal only. Now, if you calculate by CGST and SGST or IGST, is the tax the same? Is the tax the same?
Yes.
Yes. If you have to calculate IGST means, let's say 18%, you directly get 18%. If you have to calculate the other one means what? 9% and 9%, same thing answer only. Okay. Now, so IGST is equal to CGST plus SGST. CGST and SGST are equal, like the tax will be same. Now, certain words I am going to tell. Manufacturer. Okay, manufacturer. What about manufacturer? What do you mean by manufacturer?
One who makes.
The one who makes. Okay, manufacturer. So then go to wholesaler. Okay, wholesaler. Wholesaler means you know what the meaning of
The one who
wholesaler?
buys it.
The bulk of things. I need to buy one pen. Should we go to wholesaler? No. I need let's say this way 1,000 pens. Let us go to a wholesaler. Okay. Then next is called a retailer. Okay. Retailer means individual shops are there, individual items we can purchase. Then next is called customer. Customer means the person who buy the thing and consume it. We will not sell. Okay. Also, customer means we stop over there. Or selling means again this one. Wherever we purchase, there is a tax and sell. Okay. Purchase means we have to pay the tax. If it is this one. Now, wholesaler, to whom the tax is giving?
Manufacturer.
To the manufacturer. And manufacturer gives to government. Retailer, to whom the tax is given? To the wholesaler. And wholesaler gives to the tax to the government. Customer, to whom the tax is given? Retailer. And retailer, what you do?
Government.
And remember, tax is for whom? To the government. Okay now? So these are. Now, I'm going to take one item, whatever the item is there. Let's say the cost, MRP is written as, let's say, bigger number, 20,000. Okay now? MRP is 20%. Now, I will write a GST. I'm not going interstate and okay, it is, let's say, yes, 10% GST and discount. Okay. Discount is 40%. So, let's say maybe it's a television. Okay. So what he does, manufacturer gives to wholesaler. What wholesaler? With a which one? 40% discount. So that means what will be the selling price? Selling price will be how much?
50,000 minus.
Selling price. So selling price equal to 60 by 100 into 20,000. 60 by 100 into 20,000 is how much?
12,000.
12,000. Yes or no? You can calculate under these. So this is the selling price. Understood or not? What is the cost price for the wholesaler?
12,000.
12,000. Now, what is the GST? GST is equal to how much? 10% of 12,000. 10 by 100 into 12,000. How much is this one? 1,200. Okay. So, what is the amount of bill for wholesaler?
1,200.
12,000 plus 1,200. Understood all of you? Okay, 12,000 plus 1,000 or 13,200. That is the bill. Out of which false manufacturer will get how much? 12,000, and this 1,200 will have a tax. Tax has to pay to the government. Now, what? You know what is the meaning of MRP? This is MRP. What is the meaning of MRP? You know, it is the printed price. It is printed over there. This is this one. Okay. So that printed already. Now when wholesaler gets the what is the MRP? Same 20,000. He gives a discount of, let's say as 20%. So then what will be the selling price? Is equal to 80 by 100 into 29. Discount will be always what? Is not I got 20%. It's not. He will take the MRP. It's that one. So what do you get? 20,000. Then what is equal to how much? 16,000. This is the selling price. And what is the GST? How much? 10% of how much selling price? 16,000, which is equal to 1,600. 1,600. Therefore, for the retailer, listen carefully, no need to write anything. For the retailer, what is the cost? Cost price is 16,000. And how much GST has to bill? 600. Therefore, what is the amount of bill for the retailer? 16,000 plus 1,600. Are you followed now? Followed all of you? Now, next is from here. Next is for the customer, retailer. Retailer gives a discount of 10% to the customer. Where's the attendance sheet? You signed, all of you signed? Anyone else to sign? One fellow is not there. Asi. Is still in the camp only? Again, this year also he started with dentist. Yeah, okay now. So 10%. I keep on GST. Generally, you will see everywhere is a GST percentage is same. Discount percentage will change, and MRP will be always almost the same time. Okay. So then, how much is the selling price now? 90% of MRP. 90% of 12,000. So not 12,000, 20,000. That is equal to 18,000. And the GST is equal to how much? 10 by 100 into 18,000. That is equal to 1,800. This much only calculation is coming. Now one by one I am going to tell. This much is so for the customer, what is the amount of bill? 18,000 plus 1,800. How much? 90,000. What is the retailer's bill? 16,000. This is the bill for the which one? Customer. What is the retailer's bill? Listen there. 16,000 plus 1,600, 17,600. What is the wholesaler's bill? 12,000 plus 1,200, 13,200. Are you following? Where is manufacturer's bill? Manufacturer did not buy any something now, so there is no bill for this. Understood or not? Okay, this much is clear. Those who are not followed, raise the hand. Each going. Okay, now followed or not? This much out is calculating. Now listen carefully. What is the item? One TV set is being sold at different levels. GST is made means it is made as a uniform tax. Now government how much is now the thing is already for this TV set manufacturers paid how much tax to the government? 1200 rupees, 1200 rupees okay. Now here at this place it is how much? 1600. He does not need to pay 1600. He need to pay the balance, excess how much tax he got. 1200 is the tax, excess how much tax he got? 400. So wholesaler has to pay how much to the government? 400 rupees. Because for this TV set already government got how much money? 1200. So excess how much he is getting? 400 rupees. Understood or not? Next, retailer is paying to this one. My wholesaler this tax. So wholesaler has to pay how much to the government? 1800 minus 1600, that is equal to 200. Now come to the wholesaler. This amount already paid as the tax, that is called the input tax credit. When he purchased, he has paid to this person how much amount? 1200 rupees. That is called the input tax credit. And how much he is receiving from the next person? How much he is receiving? He is receiving 1600. This is called the output tax. Net tax is equal to how much? 1600 minus 1200. How much? 400. Who will get that 400? Are you followed? Now, come to the next person. Go over here. Who is the next person? Retailer. When he purchased retailer, how much tax he was paid already? When retailer purchased, how much tax he was paid? 1600. That is called what? Input tax credit. How much is collecting from customer? 1800. So this is called output tax. So how much is the tax to be paid to the government? 1800 minus 1600. That is equal to 200. Come to the customer. How much input tax he paid? 1800. Okay. How much he will get? No. So net not net output tax is 0. Are you followed? So he doesn't, for the customer, he does not pay anything to the government. Customer will pay to the retailer and gone. Okay, he is not selling it. So last user, end user we say. End user will not receive any. No, what is the GST for this one? No GST for the customer to pay to the government. GST is paid by whom? Customer is not paying to the government. Who is paying to the government? Retailer. Retailer will pay to wholesaler. Wholesaler pay to the government. Wholesaler will pay to this one. So that means at the end, the government will get 1200 from here, 400 from here, 200 from here. Ultimately, the customer is the person paying all the tax. Because here he is distributing and at the end, government will get only 1800. Okay, that is a calculations coming. Yes, Satvik, got it now? Okay, so this is the one. So if I somewhat idea you got it. Okay, what is the input tax? What is the output tax? Input tax means what tax you have already paid. A, B, C. Okay, input tax means already how much you have paid. What is the output tax? How much you are collecting. Net tax means output tax minus input tax. Are you followed? So you will see from station A to station B to station C. Then you have to read one by one and you have to see. Over there, sometimes there is no discount, so no discount to calculate. Okay, all right. What is the meaning of input tax?
Tax paid.
Tax paid. What is output tax?
Tax collected.
Tax collected when he sells the goods. Net tax.
Output
Tax minus input tax. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, this makes all of you no problem. Sure. Now these are the types of questions generally come in the exam, and one by one you have to read and you have to understand what is the meaning. Then we will. 3-4 questions when you do, you will come to know how. Okay. Follow?
Yes.
Viraj, want any clarification? No problem, no? Maitreya? Okay. Somewhat got the idea, no? Okay. Chalo. Yes. Ashmeet?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Air India man? Air India, why Air India? Actually, Air India colony.
I think.
Okay, chalo. Okay, chalo, let's. We have done exercise 1.1.
Yes, sir.
All the questions we have done.
Yes, sir.
Even the last question, I think
So last question done.
bought a ticket, movie ticket, and thought you did know that what problems are important type of questions. Not getting any problem. Whoever is having problem, please. Two people said yes sir, don't tell. You have doubt, you please tell. Okay, whatever not followed. Okay, let's come to exercise 1.2. Yes, 1.2. First is so you have to fill in the blanks. You have to. Okay. Fill in the blanks. We will not do in your this one volume. This all this is not in a one word to write. You have to calculation. You have to do it. Is it or not?
Yes.
Okay. The complete things you have to do it. Yes. Satvik read.
In the blanks, when the goods were purchased sold for ₹15,000 under interest rate transaction from station A to station B, and the rate of change is 12%. As the station selling price at station A.
So there is no discount is given. Okay. So what is the selling price at station A?
15,000.
So write in your notebook SP at station A. SP at station A is equal to rupees 15,000. Then what is the next one?
CGST.
CGST. Yes or no? It is interest rate now. So CGST is equal to how much?
6 upon 100.
Huh?
6
6%. 6 by 100 into 15,000. Calculate.
900.
900. You got it or not? Okay. Then SGST. Write to this way the word. Write this way. SGST. Right? Not the filling the blanks but only. SGST is equal to same 6 upon 100 into 15,000. How much? Calculate rupees 900. Okay. Next is
The cost price at station B.
CP at B. How much? Huh? 15,000 only now. You got SP means that is same as rupees 15,000. Then what is the next thing is given?
If profit is
Profit is equal to how much?
500.
Rupees
CP at B will be
SP at A.
3,000 plus
Huh?
tax.
Tax is to the government, nothing to do with CP and SP, no tax. Tax will be a separate thing. Tax will be toward the government, okay? Tax will not be added with, so this is the amount of bill. Amount of bill is equal to what is it? Cost plus GST. Okay, understood. So CP at B is same as SP at A. Are you following or not? Okay, now profit is well. Now check what is SP at B. What will be SP at B? CP plus profit, that is equal to 20,000 rupees. Hope all of you followed. Okay. Then now read the return that much. Now what is the next condition is given?
now the same goods and services are moved with the interstate transaction from station B to
Interstate transaction. Okay, so therefore GST. What do you have to do?
ICSE.
GST is how much? 12 by 100 into 20,000 is equal to how much?
24.
12 to 24 no? Rupees 2,400. Then CP at C. CP at C is same as SP at B, that is rupees 20,000. Over?
Yes.
That's all. You finished. Listen. All of you done? This page is everything is done? Okay. Tax paid, listen all of you. Tax paid at A. Tax paid at A.
1800.
900 plus 900. Okay. Amount of bill for B.
20,000.
Wrong. Sell. 15,000 plus B is purchasing now. So what did you get? Here, how much you paid to A? 15,000 plus 1800, 16,800. Are you following or not? Okay. Next, tax paid by B to the government. Tax paid by B to the government. Those who know, raise a hand. Tax paid by B to the government. Viraj. Huh? 2400 is wrong.
Sir.
Huh? 1400 already get. Simply don't tell 1200, 1400 and all. How did he get here to tell? How did he reach that 1200? 12 upon 100. So again calculation, all calculations are there in this one. What are you doing? Now, okay, then next. What is the input tax for B? What is the input tax for B? 1800. What is the output tax? 2400. So what is the tax paid by B to the government? 2400 minus output tax minus input tax. 2400 minus 1800, 600. That is called the net tax. Okay, understood. Now, listen to the questions carefully. Tax paid by C. Tax paid by C, 2400. Tax paid by C to the government.
600.
He is not paying anything. Zero. He is paying to B, but he is not paying. I tell you. Now let's say to the government. Tax paid by A to the government. How much is collected? 1800. Okay. Always remember how much is the tax paid to the government? Tax received minus tax paid. Understood or not? Did A receive any tax from someone? No. So that means this is correct. Okay. Tax paid by B to the government. How much is the tax received him? 2400. How much he paid to the other person? 1800. Therefore, to the government is 2400. Are you followed, all of you? Tax paid by C to the government. He did not get anything for nothing to pay. End user means there is no tax. Output tax is zero. Understood or not? Hope all of you followed. Amount of bill for C. Amount of bill for C.
22,400.
20,000 plus 2,400, 22,400. No confusion now. Okay, identify. Read and identify. Calculation, all of you know 5%, 10%, all these things. But you have to identify what is written. Are you following? And in this way, you will not write. You will write the steps. Okay, all the steps you can. Fill in the blanks means not only filling, you have to write what is the basis. Okay, that is the question number 1. Second question. Okay, now followed. Read the question, Shirisha. Why 2, 1 only? Forgot people now today onwards punishment. 1 exercise, additional exercise. Simple, no? 1 exercise. Yes.
So this is the source from Agra to Kanpur for 20,000 rupees. Then from Kanpur to Jaipur, if the rate of GST is 18%, the profit made the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur and the cost of goods, services and Jaipur.
Cost of goods and services at the. Okay, cost of goods and service means the bill, no? Okay, amount of the bill. So what is it? From where it is started? Agra. Then goes to Kanpur. What is that? Intrastate. Then from Kanpur to Jaipur. Interstate. Okay. So one by one we can start the same way. Right. SP at Agra. SP at Agra is equal to how much? 20,000 na? How is it gone na? Okay. Next. CGST. Is it CGST only? Yes. Is equal to? Wrong. 9%. Okay. Half of GST. 9%. That is 9 by 100 into is equal to?
1800.
Right. 9 by 100 CGST, right? 9% of cost SP, that is equal to 9 by 100 into how much? 20,000, no? That is equal to how much?
1800.
Rupees 1800. Then SGST
1800.
is equal to rupees 1800. Okay, this much is done. Then we will go further. CP, right? CP at Kanpur. CP at Kanpur. How much?
20,000.
20,000. Okay. Then SP or profit is right. Profit is equal to how much? 5,000. Is it or not? From Kanpur to Jaipur is 5,000 now. Therefore, SP at Kanpur is equal to 25,000. Okay. Now here what will come? IGST, isn't it? Transaction is IGST. IGST is equal to how much is coming? 18% of 25,000. 18% of 25,000, which is equal to 18 by 100 into 25,000. Forty-five, 4,500 rupees. Other transaction is there? No. Now one more step we can write. CP at Jaipur is equal to how much? 25,000. CP at Jaipur is equal to 25,000. Next, now we have to find out net GST payable. That's the first answer. Net GST payable at Kanpur. Net GST payable at Kanpur. Net GST payable at Kanpur is equal to output tax minus input tax. Is equal to output tax minus input tax is equal to how much was the output tax? 4,500 minus how much? 3,600. If you want, you can write 4,500 minus in bracket 1,800 plus 1,800. That is equal to 4,500 minus 3,600, which is equal to rupees 900. Hope all of you following the steps. This is the first answer, 900 rupees. Now, what is the second question part? Cost of goods and service. Cost of goods and service at Jaipur is equal to cost of. So, what is it? Cost of goods and service. What was the CP? 2,500 plus what is the tax? 4,500 now. Therefore, which is equal to how much? Rupees 29,500. 25,000 is the CP at Jaipur, and he paid the taxes how much? 4,500. Therefore, it is equal to 29,500. Hope all of you followed. Those who are not followed, tell me. I will explain again. See this word for check down. So first is from where it started? Agra. Agra to Kanpur. Kanpur to Jaipur. Where at Kanpur, what is the tax? 4,000. How much is the new price? 25,000. So 25,000. So how much you have to pay the Jaipur person? That 25,000 plus the tax. Understood or not? Sure. Also have confusion? No problem. I follow the Shambhavi. Following now? Okay. Because that is somewhat good idea, no? We have to be slowly, systematically do, otherwise it will be confusing. Question number, this was 2. Question number 3. Sarva, you are the person dealer. Read.
Paying the dealer of bananas, he supplies goods services worth rupees 8,000 to a dealer B in Agra. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods to dealer C in Patna, Bihar at the profit of rupees 1,200. Find the input and output tax for the dealer C under GST system. If the rate of GST is 18% and C does not sell his goods further.
Okay. So A, B, C, isn't it? So one by one we can start. So start with what is it? SP at A. SP as A means what? Banaras. SP at A. In bracket you can write Banaras. How much? 8,000 is going to where? Intrastate or interstate?
Intrastate.
So right you can write intrastate. Since it is intrastate. CGST. CGST at A.
9%.
9% of 8,000. 9% of 8,000, which that is equal to 9 by 100 into 8,000. 9 8s are 72 now. All of you got it? That is equal to 720 rupees. Okay, for all of you. Now, SGST is equal to same 9%. 9 by 100 into 8,000, same 720 rupees. 720. Written now? Okay. This much all of you done? Next, what is the next step you have to write? CP at CP at B, that is Agra, is equal to 8,000. What it does? Profit now? Profit is equal to how much? 1,200. Right, one by one. CP at Agra is 8,000. Not confused or what? Sure, no? CP at Agra is 8,000. Profit is equal to 1,200. Therefore, SP at B, right? SP at B is equal to 9,200. Isn't it? 8,000 plus 100, which is equal to 900. Followed or not? Not followed, ask. Next. After that, what is our case? Interstate or intrastate? Right. Since it's interstate, you can write over here. What is it? No, this is not everything. Here it is interstate. Here it is intrastate. Okay. Every stage it is coming here. Here you write since it is interstate. In the next line you write since it is interstate. IGST is equal to, since it is interstate, IGST is equal to how much? 18 by 100 into 9,200. Calculate 18 into 92. Okay. 16? One six. How many we got? 1656 rupees. Okay. 1656. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay. Now what calculations are there? One more right. SP at sorry CP. CP at C. CP at C is equal to how much? 9,000. 9,200. Now we here
This one is
1646 or 1656 you got? Multiply and show 92 where is this? He is not writing. Right now ICSE is equal to 18 by 100 into 9,200. 18 into 92 multiply. Should I do shoot? It's 1656 now. Okay. Then you write okay, write 1656, later multiply. Still not getting, I will multiply. It's 1656. Okay. Then what is the next step you have to write? CP at C is equal to how much? 9,000. Now we have to see the question. What is the question you asked? Find the input and output taxes for the dealer C under GST. So, right, huh? 9,200. Sorry, it is 9,200. CP&C is 9,200, no?
Yes, sir.
9,200. SP at B is how much?
8,000.
SP at B. 9,200. So same as CP. Now, next. So write the answers. Input tax for C.
14.5.
Input tax for C is equal to how much? 1656. Output tax for C? 0. The reason you write C because C is end user. Okay. Output tax for C is equal to 0 because why is because C is the end user because he is not selling. Followed or not? Okay, so he does not pay anything, let tax to the government, pay to the C. Okay, no problem. Completed, that only you find out now? Yes. Got it? All of you? Okay. Then profit and all, CSP and profit and all, I am not making you that one, let's study this one, otherwise you know, 2-3 ways make time there now. Yes. Which serious right now, what's nice one. Read the next question.
A is a dealer in Meerut. He supplies goods and services worth ₹15,000 to a dealer B in Ratlam. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods and services to dealer C in Jabalpur at profit of ₹3,000. Its rate of tax under GST system is 18%. Find the cost of goods services to the dealer C in Jabalpur and net tax payable by dealer B.
Similar one only now. So we start now. Okay. Right. What is the first statement? SP now. SP at A, Meerut. SP at A, comma Meerut. How much? 15,000. That is not discount. Okay. Next. Which transaction?
IGS.
So right. Since next line right. Since interstate. Since interstate transaction. Since interstate transaction. Written below right. IGST is equal to 18 by 100 into 15,000. Cancel 0, 0, 15 into 18, 270 now. So answer is 2700. 3700.
Yes.
2700.
Check question. All of you do 8.
Into 20.
18 into 15. How much?
2700.
Finally 27 only now.
Yes, sir.
How many we got? Anyone multiply? 1.
सर लॉक
IGST क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
हाँ?
अरे
Meerut UP to Ratlam MP. Okay. IGST which is equal to how much you all of you got? 2700, that much you got? Okay. Next. Is it alright? CP. CP at B. CP at B. Where is B? Ratlam. Is equal to how much? 15,000. CP at B Ratlam is equal to 15,000. Hey Viraj, in between no discussions. Why 3 Okay, then profit is equal to 3,000. Hey, who is that? Profit is equal to 3,000. Therefore, SP at B. SP at B is equal to 15,000 plus 3,000, 18,000. 18,000. Written. Next, interstate or intrastate? Where is it? Intra, right? Sir, correct. Sorry. Since intrastate transaction, we will write CGST is equal to CGST is equal to right over here. CGST is equal to 9 by 100 into 18,000. 1620 rupees. 1620 rupees. SGST is equal to SGST is equal to 1620 rupees. Written or not? Okay. Next, CP at C is equal to how much? 18,000. CP at C is equal to 18,000. So calculation done now. Now we will find out what is the question. First question is what? Cost of goods and service at dealer C. Okay, so like Jabalpur, no? Okay. Cost of goods and service at C is equal to how much? Shirisha? Huh? Only 18,000 plus only 1620. 2 times now. So, right, cost of goods and service at C is equal to 18,000 plus 1620 plus 1620. 1620 only, not double zero. Got it?
Yes, sir.
How much will it be? Rupees 21,240. 21,240. All of you got it? Okay, next, second part. What is the next second part? Net tax payable by B. So, right, ITC for input tax, ITC for B. What is ITC for B? How much is the tax paid by B?
3240.
ITC means how much he paid. What is the question? 2700. Output tax for B. First input ITC you got 2700. Next step, output tax for B. That is equal to 1624 plus 1624. 1620. Sorry, 1620. 1620 plus 1620. How much? 3240. 1620 plus 1620 is equal to 3240. Therefore, net tax is equal to 3240 minus 2,700. That is equal to how much? 540 rupees. Be very careful. Calculation, all of you know. But giving the answer, what is it? This percentage, calculate this percentage, all no problem. But do not confuse. Hope all of you followed. All of them, all these questions, second, third, fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them similar, same steps I made you to write. So there should not be any confusion. Okay? Follow. Only the final answers here and there different. Clear? All of you. Okay, that is the question number which one? Fourth one. Fifth one. Yes. This man. 87 crores. 37 crores.
Consultancy services worth rupees 50,000 are transferred from Delhi to Calcutta at the rate of GST 18%. And then from Calcutta to Nainital with profit 20,000 at the same rate of GST. Find output tax at Delhi, second Calcutta and third Nainital.
Okay, please. Delhi is where? Delhi. Calcutta is where? West Bengal. And Nainital?
Nainital.
So three places are interstate or interstate? Interstate only. So everywhere IGST only you have to calculate. Okay. So, alright. First one, CP. Sorry, first not CP. SP. SP at Delhi. How much? 50,000. SP at Delhi is equal to 50,000. Will be alright. Since interstate will alright. IGST is equal to 18 by 100 into 50,000. How much? 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees. Okay. Then CP at Calcutta. How much? 50,000. CP at Calcutta is 50,000. Profit 20,000. Therefore, CP at Calcutta is equal to 50,000. Profit is 20,000. SP is equal to 70,000. Again, which transaction? Interstate. Right? Since it's interstate, IGST is equal to 18 by 100 into how much? 70,000. 70,000 is equal to 18 cents are 12,600. Okay. One more step you write CP at what is the next place? Nainital. CP at Nainital is equal to 70,000. Okay. Now one by one. Output tax of Delhi. Output tax at Delhi. How much? Delhi is collecting how much? 9,000 now. Now output tax at Delhi is 9,000. Next. Output tax at Calcutta. How much Calcutta is collecting? 12,600. Written? Right? Output tax at Calcutta is 12,600. Output tax at Nainital. Zero. Get you, sir. Nainital people are good. It's not. It's opposite. Nainital is not getting anything. More people are paying. Is it or not? Nice, no? Profit how much made? Smart man is what? Who is the first maximum profit made? Calcutta man now. Calcutta man got 20,000 rupees. Yeah. That's very good. Air India man, Delhi did not get anything. Time over now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Time over. Homework. How many questions we have done now? 5. Homework exercise 5 questions. Are there 4 questions only? Okay, 4 questions. Okay. 2 questions more he needs.
2 questions more.
Four questions. Homework exercise 2. How many more questions we have to do? 2 only. Okay, that next class will do. We will start today. Which is the next chapter started? Banking. Okay, banking. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.